All right, just got these cheese souffle at Costco. Now, personally, they don't taste nothing like cheese. They taste like egg and milk. That's pretty much, and that's the ingredient it has. I don't think it has cheese, to be honest with you, but they come in little packages like this. 390 for 12 minutes, and we put it in an air fryer. They cook pretty good, so we're gonna do that right now and set them up and see how they look and how they taste in front of the camera, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They get a little burned out on the top, but that's natural. They pop up easily after they're done, so you don't have to do anything else. And this is pretty much for breakfast, so we're doing two. All right, so we just let it cool off for a couple minutes, but look at this. All right, so I'm gonna start hitting it over, back, stretching it out a little bit, open it up now, and here it is. So let's try some, see how it is. Looks beautiful, and it tastes good too. That's why I made two of them, because they're really good. And these are actually at Costco. You'll find them at Costco. So let's try one. Almost dropped it just for trying to show you guys that. Here it is. So, you know what? We don't need a fork. Just look at this. Like a little. Woo. It reminds me of the kind of like a Japanese egg omelet or fluff omelet. It does have cheese in the middle. For some reason, I didn't taste cheese on the first one, but they must have forgot. But this one does taste like cheese. Very good.